Okay, so the first one that we're trying, it's called like Eugenia. I believe this is the one from Romania. Family Adventures TV! Okay, so the first one that we're trying, it's called like Eugenia. I believe this is the one from Romania. So I will put it in the video. So here we go. First, now JoJo, eat the whole thing. Give it a try.
Oh, me first.
Yeah. Put it all in your mouth.
Can I take a bite?
Yummy. You like it? Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Yay! It's very yummy.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Happy.
And Christian.
Jake, just take a bite, and if I like it, put it.
Nope.
All right. Eat up, man. Chew it.
You
Eat
don't
it.
like it.
It'll be all right. Come on, eat it.
If I can eat it,
Chew
I'll
it.
eat it.
If you chew it faster, it'll be gone sooner.
Give me a little piece. Give me a little piece.
All right, give William a little piece. He's worried. He's concerned.
It's not the littlest piece.
Oh, you're eating it.
Come on, William.
Put the whole thing in your mouth and
Put
start
it in
chewing.
your mouth.
The littlest piece,
Yep. Go ahead.
please.
That is the littlest piece.
Come on, just eat it.
Okay,
Come
bite.
on.
All right, we're editing William out.
No,
of
you
our
gotta put the
video.
whole thing in your mouth. The whole. Chew it.
Chew
Chew
it.
it.
Chew
Come
it.
on.
Okay.
It can't be that
Obviously,
bad.
William is not a fan, and neither is Christian. But JoJo likes it. And never mind, he changed his mind.
Aftertaste.
But I meant I don't.
What's wrong with your eye, Joseph?
I told my eyes on not to.
He closed his eyes so he can show you that it's not good.
Okay, all right, Nathan. He always eats like everything. All right,
Except for one food.
how's it, Nathan? What's it taste like?
Just like those other cookies.
The Keebler elf cookies.
Keebler Elf cookies.
That is from down the cube.
Okay. Joseph.
My friend, for I have known you well. Actually, I just knew you about 2 minutes
What?
ago when I
Okay.
cut you.
Come down. Come down.
They're not bad. They're actually pretty good.
Okay. Dad thinks
2,
they're good.
3 thumbs down.
All right.
It's
So
Bob
cut the
and
camera.
Papa are the ciders.
they're with the ciders.
No, the person that chooses if it's good or bad. Like right now, if 2 of
Yeah,
them,
it tastes like that
if 2 of them say they're
wafer
good,
cream kind of stuff.
Yeah, they're just overreacting for no
And
reason.
then like a cookie.
Uh-oh.
Apple, you're the last one.
All
might see you thumbs down.
right, let's see. Our special guest appearance.
you thumbs down. I see you thumbs down. This is our special guest, Apple. I see you thumbs down. Him or family. Mom, I bet you thumbs down.
And what do you think about the Romanian cracker chocolate stuff?
Mom! You need to eat it. You need to eat it. No. You like it?
Oh, thumbs up from Papa. JoJo like
Eat that thing.
what? Thumbs down.
Yeah, to you.
Come here. Okay.
I
Here,
don't like it.
look at this. All right, what do we got
Coconut
here?
macaroon.
Ooh, coconut macaroon. Papa will like it though.
Right
See,
down
this-
my avenue.
Is from Belgium. Woo! All right. All right, JoJo. Put it in your
Got
mouth.
that last one taste out of my mouth.
Put it in your mouth.
I wanted
Joseph
to
said
get
that's
this
not
out of my mouth.
food.
Oh, that, honey, it has that. We already ate that. See, that's not M&M's. It's just got the little dots on it.
That's this.
All right, just eat it. We'll buy you some M&M's later.
Put the whole thing in your mouth. Chew it up.
Can we
Put the
just
all
bite
of it.
All of it.
All of
bite
it. Put all of it.
Please let it just bite it.
Okay. All right, but you guys are old enough. You guys can do it. All right, just put it down.
No, please.
There's the littlest one.
There's the littlest one.
Not in the mouth.
All right, come on,
Think
Christian.
about if you like
The whole
that.
thing. Chew it.
Don't leave it hanging out of your mouth. Come on, man. Is it good? Christian
Can you
isn't
just take
sure.
a bite?
Eat the whole thing. Come on.
You're scared of it. It's not going to attack you from the inside.
Yes, it's gonna rip out my stomach.
I don't know, coconut can be pretty aggressive.
Yes, it can. It can be the most aggressive food ever.
All right, here we go.
All of
it in your mouth. Come on, chew it
Come
fast,
on.
fast.
It's not that bad.
Oh, whatever.
It's a macaroon.
It tastes
You're-
like coconut.
What?
Oh.
And it tastes like
Coconut? You mean coconut?
Yes.
Oh, it's got coconut in it. It's called a coconut macaroon.
It tastes like donut.
Yes, that too. It tastes like coconut also.
Oh.
Okay.
But I don't like
I don't like coconut.
No, not until after we're done. Sit down.
Mustafa. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to hit you in the head. As you ran by me.
What do you think, Nathan?
Maybe one of these will make it taste better.
What do you think, boy?
I don't like coconut.
He thinks he don't like coconut. And
I love coconut. It smells so good.
Well, that, we know Dad can like it.
That's delicious.
all right, we got a delicious Belgium. What did I say again?
Coconut macaroon.
Coconut macaroon. All right, Let's see. let me try this coconut macaroon.
Mm.
Let's see if you can do it.
These kids are weird.
Kids have problems.
I think it's
All of you freaks.
I don't like I just don't like coconut.
She didn't mean to say flake. Me too.
I did mean to say freaks.
Oh boy.
I love you guys.
Papa likes coconut.
Mom, I see you thumb down, Mom.
Oh, I know.
I see them.
Papa gives 2 thumbs up.
This one.
No.
All right. Yummy.
2 thumbs down.
And my big toes are up too.
And my
All right.
toes are down.
So I'm not entirely sure what this says, but
Well, my
it's like a
toes
soft
doesn't have a real light.
chocolate cookie thing. Awesome. All right, Joseph.
Thank you, guys.
Soft cookie thing for you first.
I would like it. Thank you, guys.
Put it all in your mouth and eat it.
It would be so
Okay.
yummy and chocolate. And it looked like a cookie.
Yummy.
A cookie.
Is it good?
Remember when thumbs down and
Yeah.
thumbs up
Good.
in this whole video?
All right, Christian. Put it in your mouth, man. Yummy.
It tastes like a cookie.
Yummy. It is.
Well, it is a cookie. So.
All right, William.
A chocolate chip cookie. Okay, taste it first.
Eat it.
It
You
tastes like
taste it when you take the whole thing in your mouth.
What do you think? You don't let, dude.
He's thumbs down to everything. I think he's got messed up taste buds.
it tastes like
All right.
chocolate with too much chocolate.
Okay.
It's way too much chocolate.
Okay, Nathan. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? All
I
right.
actually didn't like any of them.
All right, Dad. Did you throw some over your shoulder for good
I
luck?
only got the
Maybe.
aftertaste.
It's okay. It's kind of, I don't know,
Chocolate with too much chocolate?
a little dryish.
Who's going next? They're sweet peas.
It's like
Okay.
a dry brownie.
Yeah,
All right, let's try this dry brownie.
but it's not bad.
Called a brownie.
It's kind of like the thing that your aunt that you don't really like brings, and you just kind of eat a little piece so you don't make her upset.
Yeah.
Yep, definitely.
No, little piece for Nathan. Mom, I bet you
Big
eat them down, Mom. Papa will get to the big piece. Mom! But they're little
Okay.
piece. We're already going to this one and that one.
All right, this
What
one
is this?
is
Coconut.
Nice.
I can't remember where this one was from.
I thought that was cheese.
Cheese.
This is like, oh, I thought that was cheese.
Made in Oman for export. Oh, what was that noise? Yes.
That was Joe's. Christian made
I
some.
brought-
They're coconut biscuits.
Sit down.
Again, I don't like it.
Sorry, had a chill go down my
All of
spine.
you have turned into different.
Okay. Go, Jojo.
I haven't.
Joseph,
Yeah. Good news.
you don't like it? Okay, Christian.
Yeah,
He's like throwing it down.
Just put it.
Just bite it. Use your muscly teeth. Wait, what?
How does one?
I just wanted to eat half.
Oh, eat it.
Okay, William.
Put the whole thing in your mouth, William. Chew it.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
I'm not big enough to do that one.
Not yet.
I
B?
think.
T? Oh, Beetle.
There you go.
Oh! Almost thought it was good, Nathan.
Is this salt on it?
I don't know.
Not sure.
Coconut with salt. Yum. Just kidding. I don't know.
You have to taste that meat. I put it in. And you were like, hey, great. Oh.
I see. What do you think, Nathan? You like the?
Oh.
Do you like the coconut?
It's just a graham cracker.
The graham cracker?
Like it literally just tastes like a graham cracker.
Joseph, what do you think of it?
Let's find out.
Let's find
Oh, I
out
need
on
to.
this
Wait a minute.
video.
That was like
Yeah.
some legit big pieces of something.
Well, you are like really close to me, man.
Wait, what did that spell?
It looks like it says B-I-L.
Bell? It's a spell. It's
What do you
spell.
think?
Bell. Spell
Not bad.
bell.
Probably go great with coffee.
It's just a graham cracker.
Tastes good.
Okay, cool.
It's just a graham cracker.
All right, give me this just a graham cracker thing, Nene.
Wait, will someone agree with me here?
No. No.
Okay,
I think
pretty close to graham cracker,
I think it's apple turn.
but it's got like sugar or something on it.
Almost
I think it's
your-
sugar.
It almost your turn. Now your turn.
What do you think about the coconut cracker?
No.
It's graham cracker with coconut, I think.
Probably.
Okay. One thumbs up, two thumbs up,
Nathan?
thumbs up. No, there's the macaroons.
I already have it.
This don't have as much coconut in it.
Those
Yeah, that's
macaroons were
true.
delicious.
You like these?
All right, just put it down. All right.
Those?
So this is from Croatia. It looks
I think
like
those gonna be yummy.
salted sticks. Bring on the salt.
So basically, it's like pretzel sticks.
Probably.
Nope. Salted
Go ahead,
sticks.
Joseph.
Yeah, pencil. Mom.
Okay.
My turn.
You like it?
Hang on.
I pencil. I like it.
What are you doing?
Up.
Thumbs up. All right. Christian
Two thumbs
likes
up.
it.
Pencils
Not yet, William. Wait.
It is a pencil. 2 thumbs up.
Awesome.
It can beat me.
It can beat you? Well, it probably could if I took it and hit you with it. Thumbs up. 3 thumbs up. Boom, boom, boom. I'm like pickiest eaters. How about Nathan? He's like viciously, violently eating the salty stick. How is the salty stick, boy?
It's a pretzel.
Yeah, how is the salty
I didn't ask what it was. I said, how was it?
Yeah, how was it go?
Salty.
It was salty.
Did
Thumbs
you
up.
like it? Yes or no?
And you.
I don't like
I
pretzels.
can't even see. I can't even see.
Tastes
Did you?
like a pencil.
Like a pretzel.
I don't like pretzels.
Okay, we'll go for it anyway.
Great, right?
No, I don't like pretzels.
It tastes a little like a pencil and a
I don't
little
like it.
salty.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. I love it.
No, I don't. I don't like pretzels.
I said
I don't like
love it.
Oh, I thought you said Dad loved it.
Mom and Papa like this cider. If Mom like, wait,
Okay. So
you already been decide.
it kind of tastes like a stale pretzel,
Not better.
and the salt is off of it.
Yeah, no, they're not very salty.
So salty stick? I don't really think so.
More like a anti-salty stick.
Stop stealing the stuff.
Okay, Joseph, you can have some. Oh, here. All right, hang on. Okay.
No. Back up.
I put them in baffle it.
Yeah, brother, show us how you really
Are
are.
we relating? Let's see. Do everybody.
What do you think, Papa?
Hey, take the taste out
Good
of my
salty
mouth.
stick.
2, 3,
Good.
4. What?
All right,
Five?
we have one
Wait, do you
last
like it?
thing. All right. This is a Cure Masala Munch from India. Shout out to all my friends over in India. Yum, yum, yum. What do you think? Thumbs up!
It's hot.
And it's really hot?
Yeah. I'm probably ever gonna thumbs up it.
It's
Oh
really hot.
no! Okay, Daddy's getting you water.
It really
Okay,
is.
Daddy's getting you
My
water.
turn.
Oh, he's
Give me
turning
one.
red.
Give me one. I want to feel the burn.
You want to feel the burn?
Yes. Where is it? I need to feel the burn. I need to feel the burn.
Sit down and wait.
I need to feel the burn.
Sit down, William.
Give me one. I need to feel
Okay,
the
give
burn
Christian
right
some water.
He's not going to give it up. Don't. Just, no. Just Daddy will get you your hope. Violence.
Thumbs
Oh,
up.
and he goes, oh, he must really like it because he's eating it again. And, thumbs up and water. Just like any good Indian food eating person, eat it and drink water. All right, now William,
The spice
let's
of life.
see.
Ah! Ah! I'm back! Water!
Okay,
Little red lips.
oh man, it must be really hot. Now I'm scared.
Help! It's burning my tongue!
Okay.
Here we go. Poured it down his shirt. You didn't even let him start drinking the water.
Is it good, William? All right, you change your mind. It's no longer good. Okay,
We really got to get Nathan's opinion
Nathan.
on the
Yeah,
spice.
give him a few of them. Don't just give him one. Stick them all in your mouth, boy.
I'm gonna rub them against the side so they can get all that extra spice off. Yeah, shove it all.
Yeah.
Put all of that in your mouth.
Oh, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Is it hot, Nathan?
So they're just being wimpy.
Oh,
I'm more than that. Is it good?
Your face is turning red. It ain't hot.
It's like, this is my resting face. What are you talking about? All right. Dad. Let's see what you think.
No.
Fine.
Come on. You did it to Nathan.
Get like 3 to be good. 3.
Come on, you big wimp.
more! Five! Perfect!
Oh.
Yes! Yes!
You'll have to like
No,
crush it.
four.
No, do it. Come on.
Yes. Now eat the rest. At the same time. Now put the rest in. Now. Alright, now don't feel the burn.
What do you think?
No burn?
They're not that great.
Because
Okay.
you haven't felt the burn
Is that
yet.
them that smells like that? Oh
Yeah.
my. Okay.
I don't think about them.
Okay, you wanna give mom some? Okay, get some out of there and I'll give it to me. Okay, here for me. For me. Alright.
And can't forget
Oh. William.
all these.
Okay, let me know.
You need to feel the burn.
Where'd she go? There she is.
She's,
We lost her.
she's feeling the burn, right? Feeling the burn, right?
Little
Because
bit.
my burn sensitivity is way up. Let me tell you, one burn,
Jackson's
one
pretty
thing
good.
that's slightly hot will burn my tongue.
I'm gonna choose some 80 weed for my
Hey,
cake,
it
but
tasted kind of like pork rinds.
yeah,
Ow! Spicy pork rinds,
something like
but
that.
not as good.
But there's no pork in it, so.
Yeah, but not as good. That's probably why.
All right, Papo.
Eat them all. Eat.
Eat them all.
Put it
Papa's like, I survived
I'll hold
Korea,
it.
and now you're gonna try to make me choke on the spicy chips.
more.
No. What do you think, Papo? Little hot? Nathan's like, I'm tough.
Nathan's like, my taste buds have burned off a long time.
Does it taste good, or is it yucky?
I think my taste buds burn.
Papo doesn't like them.
I agree with Papo.
No, 2 thumbs down from Papo.
And 2 thumbs up for me.
And I've eaten some weird stuff.
1 from 2.
Thanks for hanging out with us today and for tasting the food virtually with us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll talk with you soon. See you in the next video. Bye!